So nursing is a practice-oriented field, and so as such, as students move through the program, we're preparing them for clinicals all the way through. So from the very first course, they have a very simple, very short clinical, and each semester the clinical experiences grow in depth of experience, in length of experience, and complexity of experience. So by the end of the program, students have gotten experiences in long-term care, medical, surgical, pediatric, psychiatric, community care, cultural care, and critical care, to say the least, of all of the different things that they move through. So in that way, we're getting them ready for clinical the whole way through the program. When they get to their final 2 semesters, they complete 2 preceptorships. Those are really the last 2 pieces that get them ready for practice. Those are the 2 pieces where they're working one-on-one with a nurse, taking care of full teams of patients, stepping fully into that role of being a nurse. And at the same time, they're getting coached by faculty members back here so that when they're ready to step into their career and into their profession, they are fully ready.